Really? What is going on, guys? I want to welcome you back to my channel and thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, make sure you drop a subscribe. Christopher says good luck on the Charizard. Today we are going to be digging into some dollar store packages of Pokemon cards. We have 14 packs here and our goal is to hit a Charizard. It's always been our goal. So hopefully you guys are in it with me and let's get started. First we're going to cut these guys open. Alright guys, so we got all the tops cut on these bad boys and now we're ready to go. Let's see what's in pack number 1. First card we have is a Kavaron, reverse holo. Hillup, reverse holo. Arcanine, reverse holo. 3 reverse holos in the first pack. No regular rares, so that's awesome guys. Hopefully we keep up with this good pace. Round 2, 4 packs, regular holo. Full Heal Trainer, reverse holo. That's just a common. Another trainer, Maxi Hard. Really? Pack number 3, let's go. Another Torpex. Look at that. 2 for 1. Baraburo. This is a uncommon reverse holo. And we have another reverse holo, Rockruff. So far guys, the cards are not that good. Pack number 4. Fingers crossed guys. Elena Trainer. This is an uncommon. Reverse holo. Skargri. I believe that's a reverse holo. And then a Grizzamaro. That's your rare. Ooh, we got a Snorlax. It's not a holo reverse holo, it's a regular rare. A Porygon reverse holo. That's pretty cool looking. Hatterene reverse holo. It's a rare guys, that's awesome. Let's go to the next pack here. Ooh, another Snorlax. An Amaro reverse holo. We've got another Trainer Hop reverse holo. Look at this, round 3 Grizzamaro. Regular rare. Meowth reverse holo, that's pretty cool. Artwork on that one. And then another Hatterene reverse holo. Getting a lot of doubles here. Sneasel reverse holo. A Weedle reverse holo. Regular rare. Butterfree. Alright, we're about halfway there guys. Ooh, this one's pretty cool. The Walrus is Celio. Reverse holo. Pupitar reverse holo. Mana reverse holo. Common cards. Not a lot of value here. On to the next pack here. Ooh, this one looks pretty cool. Evolvation of Eevee, just a regular rare Epsilon. And we've got a Geodude reverse holo. Common card. And then another common Venonat. And the last few packs here. Rowlet reverse holo. Solrock reverse holo. And a Trainer reverse holo. So far I have no actual holos yet and I'm almost done. This isn't good. Binnacle reverse holo. Putzar reverse holo. Look, we got another one of these Epson. A holo rare. Or not a holo rare, just a rare. Second last pack, guys. Hopefully we get something good. Ooh, we got a Mew. Regular rare. And then common reverse holo. And then an uncommon Trainer card. Last pack, guys. Hopefully this is it. Marklo. Reverse holo. Another reverse holo Capsule. And then our last card is a regular rare Snorlax. Most of our cards are reverse holos, obviously. We got no holos in this grab, unfortunately. I would say for the most part it was a waste of money. Don't buy these cards. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Take care guys.